And it's done. We got a butterfly knife comb here. Little assembly required. I'm excited to see if it actually works. There we go. And I'll wait like 20 minutes to pull it off. Alright, it's been like 20 minutes. Let's see if it... Oh. Well, that worked. We're good. Let's get this shit stain off here real quick. Alright. Alright, so this thing, I put it together. It mostly works. I think it's pretty cool. But the problem is it's like hard to find a print that it just prints and works for these kind of thing. Because the other side of the head needs to be sealed, and you can't like print both sides very easily. Like you can't print it around it very easily in like one 3D model. But yeah, let's see if it works to comb my hair. All right. Yeah. If I can get this to work and do the fancy tricks, then it'll be 9 out of 10. But for now, it's like 7 out of 10, 3 out of 5, 3.1415. You get the deal. Like and subscribe. I'll put the model down in the description. Thank you. Bye.